Today we are going to learn cursive writing letters of the alphabet A to Z. So how do we write C? This way and then come down. This is A. How to write B? We go this way. This is B. Now C. This is the base word. And this one, this is D. E. F. G. H. I. J. K. L. M. N. O. P. Q. R. S. T. U. V. W. See how to write X. X. This is Y and this is Z. Now remember, you don't have to write it this way. It is straight, going this way and writing A. Similarly, please do not make it this way and this way. It is not the right way. Simple, this, go up, come down, and this is A. So remember the strokes. This is the base. This is the base. This is the base. This. Thank you.